Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to message support on Taskrabbit. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you run into an issue with Taskrabbit. Maybe your tasker didn't show up. Maybe there's something wrong. Maybe the shortage or there's a time difference. How do you actually go ahead and message support on Taskrabbit? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up Taskrabbit. Now on this page here, the next thing that you're going to do is click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Next, you're going to click on Support. Now there's multiple different ways you could actually go ahead and message support. So you can either read their support center, or you can click on Message Support. And then from here, you can see that there's a chat window started. But go ahead and message them. And there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and message Taskrabbit support. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.